All right, let's see more examples of derivatives involving rational exponent and radical. The first example is find dy by dx for y is equal to 64, x to 1 over 8, multiplied by x to 8 plus 6. Now we can use, product rule, because this one is the first function. This one is the second one, right? Now, the first function is 64x to 1 over 8. You see, it is a rational exponent. The second one is x to 8 plus 6. The derivative of this one is, remember, 64 multiplied by 1 over 8, x 1 over 8 minus 1. The derivative of this one is 8x to the 7th. All right, let's simplify this one. It is 8x 1 over 8 minus 1 is minus 7 over 8. Now, according to the product rule, this one, the derivative of the first one, the second one, and so on and so forth. Swiping the terms, don't be confused. They are the same thing. Doesn't change anything. So let me 8x minus 7 over 8 multiplies x8 plus 6 plus the second one is 8x to the 7 multiplied by 64 x to 1 over 8. Now, I can see here a negative exponent, but I can write the first one as 8x to 8 plus 6 divided by x to 7 over 8 using exponent rule. And 8 times 64 is 512 x to the 7 plus times x1 over 8. Let's keep this one for the time being, right? But we'll simplify it now. If you look at the first one, this part, and the second one, in order to make the same denominator, mathematically, I have to multiply this one, x7 over 8 divided by x7 over 8, so that I can write using a common denominator, which is x7 over 8. Then the top one is 8 times 8x to the 8, this time this one is 48, plus the other one is 512 x to the 7 times x to 1 over 8 times x to 7 over 8. Look at the second one. Do you see? So this can be written as 8x to the 8 plus 48 plus 512x2 using the exponential rule, 7 plus 1 over 8 plus 7 over 8. Now 1 over 8 plus 7 over 8 is just, this is 1 plus with 7, it is 8. So this is x to 7 over 8. So look at 8x to the 8 plus 512x to the 8 plus 48 divided by x7 over 8. Now they are like terms, so it is 520 x to the 8 plus 48 divided by x to 7 over 8. This is the derivative of the given function. Look at this one. I just write everything into a positive exponent form. Now let's see the second one. Find f derivative of x for f of x 21, the cube root of x divided by x squared minus 9. Now this one is also can be solved using the quotient rule. Remember, the top function is 21 x to 1/3. I just write that I converted the root form into rational exponent form. And the bottom one is x squared minus 9, right? So the derivative of this one is 21 multiplied by 1 over 3 x 1 over 3 minus 1. The derivative of the bottom one is just 2x. Let's simplify the bottom one. It is 7x minus 2 over 3. Now, using the quotient rule, remember the derivative of the top one multiplied by the bottom. That is 7x minus 2 over 3 multiplied by x squared minus 9 minus 2x multiplies 21x to 1/3 and divided by x squared minus 9 the whole square. Now look at the top one, right? There is a negative exponent involved. In order to remove that one, I can multiply both sides by x2 over 3. This one x2 over 3. Just multiplying by 1. The only reason that I did is just to remove the negative 2 over 3 multiplied by x2 over 3. It becomes, 1, right? So that it is 0. It becomes 0, so it will be simplified. So let's see. All right, if derivative at x, then 7x minus 2 over 3, distributive property, x 2 over 3, x squared minus 9. The second one is 42x, right? X 1/3 times x2 over 3 divided by x2 over 3 x squared minus 9 the whole square. There are several x's on top, but we can simplify them. X 7 minus 2 over 3, plus 2 over 3, which is 0. 9. The second one, 42x, x 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 over x 2 over 3 x squared minus 9 the whole square. You see? So this becomes, it is 0 means just 1, then it becomes now 7x squared minus 9. The second one is 42x, this one is just 1. Look at this one. This is just equal to 1, so another x over x2 over 3 x squared minus 9 the whole square. Now let's simplify. 7x squared, we just multiplied, this is multiplied, minus 63 plus 42x. 42, this one is negative here, just make this one, this one minus negative, this one should be also negative 42x squared divided by x2 over 3 x squared minus 9 the whole square. Now 7x squared minus 42, it is minus 35 x squared minus 63 divided by x2 over 3 x squared minus 9 the whole square. That is the derivative of the given function, and every exponents are positive. Let me use this color.